In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers on Mailerlite. Whether you're cleaning up your email list, removing test contacts, or handling a privacy request, knowing how to safely delete or completely remove a subscriber is really important. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what each option does, so you don't remove anything by mistake. First, log into your Mailerlite account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a series of icons there. Find the one that looks like a person, which represents your subscribers section. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your contacts live and where you'll manage who stays on your list and who gets removed. Once you're on the subscribers page, you need to locate the specific contact you want to remove. At the top, you'll see a search bar where you can type in details like an email address or a name to quickly pull up a subscriber. If you have a large list, you can also use filters such as groups or segments to narrow down the results. For example, you might filter by a specific group if you know the subscriber belongs there. Take a moment to confirm you've found the correct contact so you don't accidentally delete the wrong person. When you've located the right subscriber, look to the left of their details and you'll see a small checkbox. Click that checkbox to select this subscriber. If you only want to delete one person, just make sure only that single box is checked. If you're cleaning up multiple contacts at once, you can check several boxes, but be extra careful and double-check your selection before moving on. After selecting the subscriber, look above the list for the Actions button. This button controls what you can do with the subscribers you've selected. Click on Actions to open the menu of options available. From this menu, you'll see two key choices related to removal: delete and forget. This difference is important. Choosing delete will remove the subscriber from your list, so you won't email them anymore, but some basic data may still remain in your account for records. Choosing forget, on the other hand, is a complete removal designed to be compliant with privacy laws like GDPR. This option erases the subscriber's personal data from your account. Select the option that best fits your situation, then confirm your choice when prompted. Once you confirm, the process is final, so make sure you're absolutely certain before you proceed.